Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Mike Muller here, Bar Down Baits. First and foremost, Happy New Year. I hope everybody stayed safe and had a good, enjoyable time. Today's video, we are gonna be creating soft plastic ice fishing bait in the color Wonder Bread. Then we are gonna move on. We are gonna make two amazing baits. One is gonna be the Viking Shad. The other one is gonna be the Wild Shad, both colors based off of the uniforms that the Minnesota Vikings wear and the Minnesota Wild retro jersey. Stay tuned for that. Gonna be an unbelievable bait. Okay guys, before we get into the shooting plastics, I just wanna give a huge shout out to Corey over at Winnesota Fishing. He's another fellow YouTuber making videos. I don't know how he got his hands on bar down baits, maybe the black market, I'm not sure, but he got his hands on some bar down baits, made a video, slammed the crappies, and then kind of rep my product. So a huge shout out to Corey. I appreciate you. I've got bonus baits coming your way, Corey. I have not forgotten about you. So stay tuned for those. Now, what's new in 2025? I'm excited to announce I've got 2 retail locations. One is in Crosby, Minnesota, Oars-N-Mine. Right here, Jesse Williams, right here. Make sure if you're looking to get some bar down baits, head in to see Jesse over at Oars-N-Mine in Crosby. And the other one is Reddings Sports up in Emily, Minnesota. This is their slogan right here. Beer, bait, booze, and bullets. I don't think you can get any better than that. So make sure to check out Reddings for bar down baits. Next, moving on. Mrs. Muller absolutely went nuts over the holidays and got merchandise. We've got new merch right here, t-shirts. I love it. Thank you, Jennifer. And then we've got hats right here. And when we introduce my special guest, he will be repping the hooded sweatshirts. So that is new. All right, guys, here he is. We've got a lovely young man visiting my daughter over the holidays. My daughter and Jakob are studying overseas to become doctors, so really proud of both of them. As you can see right here, Jakob is marketing Mrs. Muller's new merchandise here, the hooded sweatshirt, looking really good. So we're gonna get Jakob hooked up here. Again, we're gonna be making Wonder Bread. We're gonna be making the Viking Shad color and the Wild Shad color. These are gonna be phenomenal baits. Jakob, are you ready to do this?
Yes, I'm excited to do some of my own baits today.
Let's get going. Okay, we got Jakob here. He's got his Bait Plastics 242 ready to go. We're gonna get this in the microwave, Wonder Bread. Okay, we got the plastic in. We're gonna pull it out after 2 minutes, and hopefully I can show you that phase where it's not quite ready to pour. There you go. Okay, that plastic is coming out. Oh yeah, I think we got it a little bit too hot. Is that yellow?
A little bit.
Yeah, let's see what the temperature's at. Oh yeah, we scorched it. We're gonna use it. This is just a little tip. We got that thing wicked hot right now, but I still think the baits are gonna turn out. Now we are gonna get on to the color build here. Okay, gang, again, we're gonna be trying to make that Wonder Bread color. We're gonna start with, oh, that was heavy.
That was a lot, right?
That's fine, we'll work it. That was probably the equivalent of I don't know, it looked like 5 or 6 drops. Let's do a little bit more.
A little bit more?
Yeah. We got to kind of get that yellow tint out of there. Does that plastic look yellow?
Yes.
Yeah. Let's.
Like a milk.
Yeah, I think that's.
Eggnog.
Keep putting more white in there. I want to see if we can get that yellow tint out of there. Don't be shy. Okay. Does that look any whiter?
Yes.
That's still.
So a little bit milky.
Yeah. Okay, now let's put some of that snow shine in there. Open that up. You can be pretty generous with that.
Oh, it's just like this, right?
Yeah. keep going. Yep. Not a precise measurement on that for sure. That's going to give it kind of a pearly, sparkly type of deal. Okay, we're going to get that stirred in, and then next step, we're going to be adding those typical Wonder Bread colors. Okay, now for the important part of the Wonder Bread. Again, Wonder Bread is just a white base, and we are putting in, what is that, a smidgen again?
Yes.
Which a smidgen is 1/32. Let's go ahead and dump that in. And then we are gonna do a pinch, which is a 1/16 of the yellow. Yep. Nice, and then we're gonna do a dash, which is 1/8 of the blue. You kind of want blue to be the driving force behind this one. If you get too much pink in it, it will turn the plastic, that white base, kind of pinkish. Oh, that looks good. You're definitely gonna have to show the camera that. Kind of put it up on your stirring stick. Tilt it over, that looks good. Oh, dude, that looks good. First timer, the rookie makes a wonderful batch of Wonder Bread here. Do you even know what Wonder Bread is?
No.
Yeah, you're used to good bread over in Germany. Wonder Bread is that awful bread that we mass produce here in the States. Show that off to the camera. Oh yeah, tilt that down. Beautiful. All right, let's get this shot and we'll show you guys what's happening here. Oh, you gotta get gloves on. Oh, that's important. Boy, oh boy, we got it. I shoot without gloves. I shouldn't be doing it, but if Jakob were to get burned here, my daughter would disown me. So Jakob is sucking that plastic up. Purge that out a little bit. You don't need to draw it all the way up. This is it on top. Press down. It doesn't take much.
No.
Hold a little bit of pressure. Now you can get it off. Just pull that thing off.
Oh.
If that sprue comes off, that'll be fine. Just top it off. Hold it up high. Or you can do it from, oh yeah, that's good, that's good, that's good, that's good. Because it's gonna draw a little bit. Then get your plastic out. Dude, Jakob, that's your first pour? I'm excited to see how these turned out. Yeah, we got it. Epic Bait Molds, 1.2-inch ice jerk. Because this is kind of a hockey-based channel, we are gonna be calling this one the Misconduct Minnow. It's so bad, meaning good, this thing catches fish. All right, let's get this unmolding, see what you came up with on your first creation. Now again, we got the plastic too hot. You can kind of see how that plastic got yellow. We got it up over 400, that's okay. Ooh, Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. Now, turn that the other way and peel that thing back. Dude, these are looking awesome. Yeah, just like that. Lord have mercy. All right, Jakob, get a close-up in there. Those are awesome. There it is, guys. We have made Wonder Bread. This is a popular color. All right, guys, so what we're doing here, we did burn that first batch, and that's a rookie mistake. It can happen. So what we're gonna try to remedy that and just show you the difference of plastic that has been heated properly and plastic that's been a little bit abused, because I think we're gonna see a major color difference here when these baits get turned out. We'll do a little compare. All right, Jakob, round 2, compare and contrast, Epic Bait Molds, Misconduct Minnow. Oh my goodness, these are gonna be good. Wonder Bread, check this out. What a difference. Turn it around, peel them back. Oh Lord, have mercy on this. Oh God, okay, let's get them, what a difference. Dude, Jakob, those baits are unbelievable. All right, gang, so this is what we're gonna be looking at right here. Plastic that has been treated improperly and plastic that has been heated up properly. You can tell the difference. There is a stark difference between the baits on the left compared to the baits on the right. Zoom in on those ones on the right. Jakob, you did an unbelievable job shooting those plastics. Nicely done. All right, guys, now we're gonna be transitioning into our international order. We're gonna get some baits out that are going to Bulgaria, and we are gonna be using chartreuse. Okay guys, we're moving on to the Viking Shad. We're gonna get the plastic heated up and we're gonna get this laminate color shot. This one is going to be good. Okay, we are live. We got the Viking Shad colors all heated up, ready to go. Yeah, that looks good. That looks good. Did that feel better? Yes. Okay, not too much pressure, because when you take that off, I can bet there's gonna be some plastic coming out. Take that off. There you go. Nice. Oh, baby. Okay, we're gonna do the second unveil. Jakob feels a little bit more confident in this shot, but not 100% sure. This is the first peek. Don't tell anybody. Look at him and look at him yourself and say, oh, he likes it. Okay, let's get these bad boys up to the camera, see how he did. Oh, dude, you got it. Nice. Get a nice close-up in there, and then, oh, yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Now, they do look black. We're going to take these out into some natural lighting. This is the Viking Shad. It does look black and chartreuse, but guys, believe me, that is a now for the Wild Shad. We are going to be using fluorescent lime from Lure Works, and Jakob had a great idea. That's MF translucent fluorescent chartreuse, and we're going to add some of that fluorescent yellow glitter to it. I think this is going to be a good one. Okay, gang, we are going to start the color build here. Jakob's got his side. I'm doing the fluorescent lime. And maybe some, so I'm going to go 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See what that looks like.
Oh, that's not even open, right?
Oh, geez.
Oh, it's... Oh, let's go like this.
That's good. I need to be darker, right?
Ooh. This is pretty bright yellow.
3, 4. That's 10. How are those going to play? Mine need to be darker?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. I'm just going to go 10 more. 1, 2, 3.
I'll put you some of this in.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total of 20 drops. Are we getting closer there? Yeah.
Yes.
I'm putting some of this stuff in too. Okay, we are going, see what this does? We're not going to be shy on that. Okay, again, this is going to be the Wild Shad. Minnesota Wild retro jerseys, coolest jerseys by far in the league. Yeah, that's going to be nice. Let's see what these do together. Think so?
Think I need a little bit yellow?
No, you don't need. The more you add, it's just going to stay the same. Okay, here we go. We got the Wild Shad in production right now. The colors in the Pyrex are exactly the colors that we are looking for. We will see what happens when these colors come together and meet up. Are you thinking blue, Jakob? No. Okay, he's going to do a little flip and turn. The Wild Shad. Yes. Hold a little bit of pressure. That should be good. Top them off. Oh my gosh. So this is gonna be an interesting one, I think. I'm excited to see what these look like. Okay, here we go. This is gonna be interesting, I think. Take a peek, Jakob. Don't show the camera yet.
Okay.
Okay, he says. Okay. Let's see what we got. Oh, Lord have mercy. Let's peel them back. Did that all kind of blend into one color, or can we see? Oh, wait a second, dude. Hold these up. These are unbelievable. Go down a little bit. The camera can't see it. Can you guys see we can see the yellow and green transition. Those are awesome. Are you kidding me? The Wild Shad, Minnesota Wild Shad. Okay, quick recap. What I did, I added 10 more drops to that.